Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I'm gonna teach you to change server in your VPN app. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to your internet and you have already connected to your server in your VPN. Now let's get straight into the process. You can see that I have already opened and connected to my server. Now how to change it? In the previous videos, I have taught you to sign in and connect to the server, and in this video, I'm gonna teach you to change the server in your VPN. Now at the top right corner, you can see the server that you are connected in. Now you have to tap on that. After that, you can see different options to connect to the server. Here you can choose any of the server. Here I will be tapping on Canada. Now you have to tap on the location. Here I will be tapping on Toronto. Now by tapping on subscribe now, you will be able to connect to this server. For that you have to upgrade to the Turbo VPN Premium. After tapping on that subscribe now, you will be getting 3 days free trial. In this way you can easily connect to the new server. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Also hit that bell icon so you get notified every time we post new videos. Thank you.